Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered if someone is looking back? The night sky, with its endless array of twinkling lights, has always sparked human curiosity. The universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's a realm that stretches beyond our imagination, filled with wonders we are only beginning to understand. It's filled with billions of stars and even more planets. Each star could potentially host a system of planets, some of which might harbor conditions suitable for life. Could Earth be the only place where life exists? Our planet is unique, teeming with diverse forms of life, but is it truly one of a kind in the cosmos? Or is it possible that life exists elsewhere in the cosmos? Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some located in the habitable zones of their stars. The question of whether we are alone in the universe is one of the most profound questions humans have ever asked. It challenges our understanding of life and our place in the universe. For centuries, we have searched for answers, scanning the heavens for any sign of life beyond our planet. From ancient astronomers to modern scientists, the quest has been relentless. While we haven't found definitive proof yet, the journey of exploration has been filled with exciting discoveries and tantalizing clues. Each new finding brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As technology advances, our ability to explore the universe expands. Space probes and telescopes are pushing the boundaries of what we know, venturing into the unknown. The data collected from these missions is invaluable, providing insights that could one day answer the age-old question, are we alone? Until then, we continue to dream, to explore, and to look up at the stars with wonder, hoping that one day we might find our cosmic neighbors. To search for life beyond Earth, we must first understand what makes a planet habitable. Life as we know it requires a few key ingredients. The most important is liquid water, which acts as a solvent for biological processes. We also need a source of energy, such as sunlight, to power life. Finally, life needs a stable environment with the right temperature range to allow for liquid water. This Goldilocks zone is where the conditions are just right, not too hot and not too cold for life to flourish. Many brilliant minds have contemplated the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The vastness of the cosmos has always intrigued humanity, sparking questions about our place in the universe and whether we are truly alone. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, the quest to understand the universe and our potential neighbors has been a driving force in the field of astronomy. Carl Sagan, a renowned astronomer, believed that the sheer number of stars and planets in the universe made it statistically improbable that Earth was the only inhabited planet. His work and passion for the cosmos inspired generations to look up and wonder. Sagan's efforts in popularizing science brought the mysteries of the universe into the public eye, making complex ideas accessible and exciting. He famously said, "The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space." This quote encapsulates the essence of his belief in the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Sagan's work with the Voyager Golden Record, a message to potential extraterrestrial civilizations, further exemplifies his commitment to exploring the unknown. Frank Drake, another visionary astronomer, developed an equation to estimate the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. Known as the Drake equation, it was a groundbreaking attempt to quantify the factors that could lead to the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth. Drake's work laid the foundation for the scientific search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. The Drake equation takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the likelihood of intelligent life evolving on those planets. It serves as a framework for scientists to discuss and explore the probabilities of life beyond our planet. While the exact numbers remain uncertain, the equation has sparked countless debates and research projects, driving the quest to answer one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Within our own solar system, Mars has long captured our imagination as a potential haven for life. While Mars is a cold and dry desert today, evidence suggests that it once had a much warmer and wetter climate, with flowing rivers and vast oceans. The presence of water ice on Mars, along with hints of methane in its atmosphere, keeps the hope of finding microbial life, either extinct or even extant, very much alive. Future missions to Mars will continue to search for signs of past or present life and explore the planet's potential for human habitation. Section 5. Ocean worlds. Beyond Mars, other intriguing candidates for life exist within our solar system. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, are both covered in ice. However, beneath their icy surfaces lie vast, hidden oceans of liquid water. These ocean worlds are thought to be heated internally by tidal forces from their giant host planets. This internal heat could provide the energy needed to support life in the dark subsurface oceans. Missions to Europa and Enceladus are being planned to search for evidence of life in these potentially habitable environments. Section 6. Beyond our Sun. Our solar system is just one tiny speck in the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. In recent years, astronomers have discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars, called exoplanets. Many of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zones of their stars, suggesting that they could have the right conditions for liquid water and potentially life. While we are still a long way from being able to visit these distant worlds, telescopes are becoming increasingly sophisticated, allowing us to study their atmospheres and search for signs of life. Section 7. Cosmic clues. While we have yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, there have been some intriguing discoveries that hint at the possibility. For example, organic molecules, the building blocks of life, have been found in meteorites that have fallen to Earth. These molecules suggest that the ingredients for life may be common throughout the universe. Additionally, some scientists believe that certain patterns in radio signals from space could be evidence of advanced alien civilizations attempting to contact us. While these signals are more likely to have natural explanations, the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence remains a captivating one. Section 8. The search continues. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most exciting and important scientific endeavors of our time. With each new discovery, we learn more about the universe and our place within it. While we don't yet know if we are alone, the continued exploration of space offers the tantalizing possibility that we may one day find evidence of life beyond our planet, forever changing our understanding of the universe and our place in it. As Section 9, our place in the cosmos. The search for life beyond Earth is ultimately a search for ourselves. It is a profound journey that delves into the very essence of what it means to be human. As we peer into the vastness of space, we are not just looking for other forms of life. We are seeking to understand our own existence and our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. It is a quest to understand our origins, our place in the cosmos, and whether we are truly alone in the vast expanse of the universe. This quest has driven humanity for centuries, from the early astronomers who first charted the stars to the modern scientists who send probes to the far reaches of our solar system. Each discovery, each new piece of information brings us one step closer to answering these fundamental questions. The answers to these questions have the potential to profoundly impact our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Imagine the implications of finding microbial life on another planet, or even intelligent beings in a distant galaxy. Such discoveries would not only change our scientific understanding, but also our philosophical and existential perspectives. They would challenge us to rethink our place in the universe and our relationship with other forms of life. Whether we find evidence of microbial life on Mars, which would suggest that life can arise independently in multiple places, or intelligent beings in a distant galaxy, which would imply that we are not the only advanced civilization in the universe, or ultimately discover that we are alone, which would make our existence even more unique and precious. The journey of exploration will undoubtedly continue, driven by our innate curiosity and our desire to understand the universe and all its wonders. This journey is not just about finding answers, but also about the pursuit of knowledge and the thrill of discovery. It is about pushing the boundaries of what we know and venturing into the unknown. The cosmos awaits, and the search for life beyond Earth continues to inspire us, fueling our imagination and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. Every new mission, every new discovery, brings us closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. It is a journey that unites us as a species, reminding us of our shared curiosity and our common quest for knowledge, fueling our imagination and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are not just searching for life, we are searching for ourselves, for our place in the universe, and for the answers to the questions that have driven humanity for millennia. the journey is far from over, and the cosmos still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered.